So the siding is pretty finished, painted already. As you can see there, there's paint marks, and this is the house wrap. I think this is the comments from builder or inspector, and we can see several comments written on the walls. As you can see, there's a moist top. This brings moisture from the wall away from the floor, away from the house. Get inside. This is the front door. That's the garage. Garage has written comments also. That's the water system. I think they're pretty much done. Almost done. No electrical yet. This is a water heater, I guess, or the water softener system. See the pantry area. They got the window, the plumbing for plumber nail. I don't know what that means. This is foam, standing foam, and we got a couple of jack studs there. There's the garage. Plumber nail. What does this mean? Plumber nail. And this one is nut plumb nail 12-inch on center. There's some comments. Still here, nut plumb. This is the kitchen area. The door going outside the patio. It says here, nail all straps at bottom plate. This already nailed straps. This air conditioning ducts are pretty much done. There's one comment here, nail wall together. This is the extra space here, the stairs, and another comment, put 2x4 behind hanger and nail. That's it. This one need to be 3 2x4s. Moist top stair stringers. This is a bow. This is a bow. The gap at trusses needs to be less than 1/2. They all straps at the bottom plate. This is the dining area. There's another remark here. Wall should be 35-inch tall. This wall right here. Okay. Nail all straps to the bottom. Need 3 nails at strong back. That's the vent. There you go. Going through another vent. Living room. This is the living room. Living area. Guess that's about it. Fill in. To go fill in. And I'll be going up the second floor just to see. This is I believe this is air conditioning. Going to the furnace. Second floor. This is the shower. That's the shower. This is the view from the patio roof.
Mama.